Chief Justice Bryan Sykes says motorists appearing before the courts should expect demerit points and driver disqualifications where required by law. This despite the government's planned rollout of the administrative demerit points system on October 1. The clarification follows Transport Minister Darrell Vaz's announcement that motorists who settle outstanding traffic tickets by September 30 will not be adversely affected when the administrative system comes into effect. In a statement, Justice Sykes stressed that offenses committed before February 1, 2023 remain governed by the Road Traffic Act 1938, which requires the courts to record demerit points and impose driver disqualifications where applicable.
Under Section 98(1) of the Road Traffic Act 2018, where any person is convicted under a provision specified in column 1 of the 6th schedule for offences specified in column 2 of that schedule, the court before which the person is convicted shall, in addition to any penalty for that offence, order that the demerit points specified in that schedule in relation to that offence be recorded against any driver's license held by that person, and that the record of the order be forwarded to the authority, in this case meaning the Island Traffic Authority, for action to be taken in accordance with Section 32 of the 2018 Act.
He also noted that the Road Traffic Act 2018 has been in force since January 25, 2023.
Section 35 empowers the court to disqualify a person from holding or obtaining a driver's license or permit in prescribed circumstances. In addition, several provisions of the Act require the court to make disqualification orders upon convictions for specified offences, including upon second or subsequent conviction for reckless or dangerous driving. These provisions have been applied by the courts since they became law.
The Chief Justice said the clarification is intended to reassure the public that the judiciary has continued to apply the relevant road traffic laws in accordance with Parliament's legislation.
This clarification is intended to ensure that members of the public understand that the courts have continued to exercise only those powers expressly conferred by the applicable legislation.